Good morning. Myself, Professor S.K. Trivedi, Department of Electronics and Communication, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Khwaja Muhyiddin Chishti Language University, Lucknow. Dear students, today we are going to discuss clipping circuit. It is in fact a wave shaping circuit which can control the shape of the output waveform by eliminating or clipping a part of applied wave. This is done without distorting the others remaining part of the waveform. The clipping circuit does not have energy storage elements, capacitor, but it includes both linear and non-linear elements. Linear elements are those in which resistors, and the non-linear are those in which transistors and junction diode is there. This circuit is normally used for the selection in the transmission purpose. In transmission, a portion of a single wave form occupied below or above a particular reference voltage level is selected. According to the level of clipping, it is of two types: positive clipper, and the second one is negative clipper. Positive clipper removes positive half of the input voltage, and the negative clipper removes negative half of the input voltage. Clamping circuit. Clamping circuit are the electronic circuits that shift the device DC level of the AC signal. Clampers are also known as DC voltage restores or level shifters. These circuits are used to clamp an input signal to a different DC level. It basically adds DC component to the applied input signals in order to push the signal to either the positive or the negative side. Clamper circuit is a combination of resistor along within a diode and the capacitor. In the figure, positive clamper circuit shows input waveform and the output waveform. What is TUF? Transformer utilization factor. The factor which indicates how much is the utilization of the transformer in the circuit is called transformer utilization factor. TUF is equal to D dot C, power delivered to the load upon AC power rating of the transformer. Transformer utilization factor in a circuit should be as high as possible. Ripple factor. Measure the purity of the DC output of the rectifier. Ratio of the AC component of the output wave to the DC component. Ripple factor is equal to RMS value of an component of the output upon the average of DC component of the output. Now we are going to discuss something about peak value. What do you mean by peak value? The maximum value attained by an alternating quantity during one cycle is called its peak value. The peak value of a alternating voltage and the current is represented by EM and IM respectively. Now we are going to discuss something about the average value. The average of all the instantaneous value of an alternating voltage and the current over one complete cycle is called average value. In the figure you can see the half cycle is being drawn. The average value of the current I is equal to mean of the mid ordinate. You can see with the formula which is given. Peak inverse value. The maximum value of the reverse voltage that a diode can withstand without breaking or damaging itself is called the peak inverse value.